If you are looking for a web scraping tool, this is probably one of the best AI web scraper out there to scrape data from almost any website. This is Browseract, and this is probably one of the best AI agent out there to scrape data from any website without writing a single line of code. If you are a data analyst or marketeer or just an indie hacker, you need this tool. You can use Browseract to extract any sort of data in a really organized way. It's a very beginner friendly tool. You are not required to write any sort of code. Browseract has capability to block ads. So let's suppose if you want to extract data from a website that has ads in it, so Browseract can actually hide ads for an uninterrupted execution. This tool has this global residential IP network, so there are a lot of websites with geo-restricted content, so Browseract can actually bypass that. This tool can automatically bypass all of the captchas and verification mechanisms. So in this video, we're going to test this tool for different use cases. We'll try it on different websites and see this tool in action and see how this tool actually performs. So before we start, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. And if you're not following me on X, please just go ahead and follow me on X, because these days I'm really active on X, so please just go ahead and follow me on X. Alright, so to start using Browseract, just go to browseract.com or just click on the link in description. You can start using Browseract absolutely for free. There is no credit card required. And as soon as you sign up, you get 1000 credits. And if you just log in daily, you can just get 1000 credits every single day. So simply just click on this free launch button and then sign up using your Google account, and that's it. You are good to go. And this is how this dashboard will actually look like. Right now you can see I got this balance of 2790. And now here is the main point. Now we can actually create an AI agent. We can give it a name, and after that we can just assign it a task, and this AI agent will actually start working on background. So let me just click on this create button. I can simply just click on that and then just give this agent a name. I'll just call it web scraping agent. Just give it any name, and then you can just give it further description, and then simply just click on this create button. And now our AI agent is ready. Now you can simply just click on this run button, and now our AI agent will show this screen, and from here you can just give it instruction. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to scrape some data from this Y Combinator website. So you can see on Y Combinator there is a startup directory. So I can simply just go to startup directory and I can just provide it this link. And now I can give it this link and I can ask it to please shortlist all of the companies from this link which are hiring. Create. You can give it more detailed prompt, but I'm happy with my prompt. After that, I can simply just click on this send button, and now it will start working. Right now, this AI agent will actually start scraping the data, and it will give us this live browser view. We can see what exactly this AI agent is doing in real time. Alright, so right now you can see the AI agent is in action. It has already opened the startup directory, and from here you can see it is looking for the companies which are hiring. I can interrupt this AI agent at any point. I can simply just click on this screen anywhere, and then AI agent will be interrupted and it will be paused, and then I can just resume it later. But right now you can see it is executing this task. So right now it is extracting structured data for all visible companies entries. That includes name, location, description, batch, tags, etc. So let it just go ahead and analyze all of the companies that are hiring, and after that it will just extract all of the data from those companies, and then we can just analyze that data and then use it wherever we want. Alright, so right now you can see it has shortlisted 80 companies out of 1238 companies. And now it is finding any remaining companies and then extracting data related to any other remaining companies that are hiring right now. Alright, so it has just finished scraping all of the data, and it completed this task in 35 different steps. So we can see, we can just recall all of these different steps. From here we can just go back and see all of the steps that it took, and you can see the live preview of all of the steps in here. And this is the data that it generated. It's in JSON file, and now you can use this data wherever you want. The data is really organized. In fact, you can just copy paste it from here and then share it with ChatGPT or maybe in some other tool for better data visualization. The team at Browseract is actively working on new updates. In July, you can see they have already launched public beta, and in August they are going to launch Browseract for Zapier and Make.com. So both Zapier and Make.com are automation tools. That means you can use Browseract with your favorite AI automation tools. Also in August, they are going to launch LTD program, which will offer special pricing for early adopters. Similarly, in September, they are going to launch the visual workflow builder as well. So there are a lot of amazing updates coming on from Browseract. So just stay tuned. So yeah, this is a really impressive tool for web scraping. So please just go ahead and give it a try. If you have any further questions, please just leave your comments in the comment section. I see you next video.